takes up my time.
Let's begin with the makeup look and create really pretty spring fresh makeup look, perfect for warm weather. I want the skin to be really glowy, and I'm gonna use some of these Wet n Wild products that I purchased the other day. Like, I am so late, I know. Like, I've heard and I wore so many people using Wet n Wild products and telling that they're so affordable and also the quality is amazing. And I picked up the other day, I picked up some really pretty blush colors, highlighters and lip products that I think they will be really pretty for summertime. Here we have some blushes. This is in the shade Mellow Wine. We also have Pearlescent Pink, which is really pretty corally pink shade. We also have this highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, which is probably one of the most famous drugstore highlighters out there. Catrice liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick in the shade Coral Corruption. This is how it looks like. Like I said, I want to create, first of all, excuse these threads right here. We're gonna cover them. I also did the first impressions using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm gonna link the video here so you can watch it, but in that video you can watch the whole video. I'm doing like 10 hours wear test wearing this foundation, and yeah, overall I don't like the foundation that day, but at the end of the video I said that I'm gonna try to mix it with some other foundation and with other primers and see if it will apply better and if I will like it better. Let's moisturize a little bit. For some glowy skin, I'm gonna use this Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator from Kiehl's. I have a sample size. It's supposed to, this is how it looks like. It's supposed to make your skin really glowy and pretty, and that's what we are aiming. That smells so nice, so fresh, good scent. Also use this Strobing stick from Maybelline. This is basically a cream highlighter. It is in the shade 100. Apply it on the high points of my face. Yep. I will mix foundations, the L'Oreal one and the Born This Way foundation, because I really love the finish of the foundation and it works so good for my skin, so I will try to mix it with, and hopefully it works better. Okay, I think it's looking a bit better now. This is how my skin looks like with the foundation, two foundation mixed. Let's try to cover these threads here. I'm using the Bobbie Brown concealer in the shade Light Biscuit. This is how much I love it. I need some concealer. I'm using the Catrice Liquid High Coverage Concealer, the shade Porcelain. Brows. Catrice Brow Pencil. Love this stuff. I will leave the eyeshadows like that, only mattes, and after that maybe I will add some shimmer. My favorite, the Marc Jacobs, fantastic. I don't want to buy another bronzer till I heat up the pan, at least. Because having so many bronzers, you can't use all of them like 100%. Okay. Let's spritz some spray. While it's still wet, you can go with your sponge or beauty blender and just press the powder into your skin. If you think that it's looking a bit powdery, so it melts into the skin. Let's have some fun with the Wet n Wild products. Oh yes, comes with a small little brush, which I'm not gonna use. Okay, almost no scent. This is the shade. It's really pretty. Again, the shade is called Pearlescent Pink. Here is the shade Mellow Wine. Both colors gorgeous. I'll probably mix both of them. I have here the MAC Maybelline blush. I want to swatch it and see. Okay, it's not. It's more. So here is MAC Maybelline. Here is the Wet n Wild and the Wet n Wild shade. So it's kind of similar to Mellow Wine, the Maybelline shade, but no, the Maybelline is more brighter shade and this is more kind of a deeper shade. Ooh, let's watch. I have the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Yacht Light. I will apply it next to, yeah, so maybe we have a dupe with the Fenty Yacht Life cream blush. This is the Fenty one and this is the Wet n Wild one. Pretty similar. Let's apply blush. Pretty. I really want to dig in the other blush, which is called Mellow Wine. Apply some more. Ooh, I love this color. It's really pretty. If I need to pick one of them, I'll pick the Mellow Wine. Time for some highlighter. We had here Precious Petals. Oh, that's so pretty. Also Vera here on YouTube. Hi Vera. She's using this highlighter and she's loving it. So I decided to pick it up. Look how pretty that's in the pan. Just in the pan you can see how gorgeous this shade is. Ooh, that's pretty. Apply some with a fan brush. What's happening? Okay. Okay, I see you. Sometimes some products are working for some people, some products are not working the same way it's for everybody. I'm not crazy about this highlighter, I can honestly tell you. I don't like it. Sorry, like, I don't like it. I apply mascara, the Essence Lash Princess, my favorite one. I bought the other day these Ardell Wispies lashes. And they come with a glue and some tool to apply them, and this is the style, which is so pretty. After literally 30 minutes later, I'm done with the eyelashes. This is a shade, it's called Coral Corruption, and honestly I'm so excited to try it out. Again, I watched the Casey Holmes swatch video of the Wet n Wild liquid lipsticks, and she tried out all of their shades. If I like this formula, I'm probably gonna purchase couple more colors. Ooh. I think I need some more blush. Okay guys, this was my first impressions video of the Wet n Wild products. This is also my spring makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope you really enjoy it. First thoughts and really quickly, blushes, the Wet n Wild blushes, I really like them, especially that color. I told you the Mellow Wine shade, it's my favorite. The Wet n Wild highlighter, the Precious Petals. I don't know what's all the hype about this highlighter. So many YouTubers, they are raving about this one, but I didn't like it. It would be a pass. I'll try to apply it next time, maybe some other way, use another technique, but I don't like this look. The liquid lipstick, I don't think that I like them either. From far away they look pretty, like this shade is super pretty, corally spring shade. But when I look closely, it's not the application, it is not even. Maybe this will be also a no for me, a pass for me. The formula, it's really lightweight, but the application I am not a huge fan of. This one, like the cons, the application, I don't like the way it looks on my lips right now. Again, I'll try to use it 1, 2, 3 more times, and I will let you know in the comments down below. The lashes, they are new to me, like first impressions. I love, they're so lightweight. Love the style as well, and it comes with this really cute tool that I used to apply them, and I think it's super handy. And also I want to mention this formula from Kiehl. It's awesome. I think I'm gonna purchase a bigger version and not the sample one. This is my final look. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Also like the video so I can upload more and more videos for you guys. And I will see you in my next video.